Now I'm pleased to introduce Dr. Ron Hardy from the University of Idaho. Dr. Hardy is a university distinguished professor in the Department of Animal and Veterinary Science, where he's an expert on animal nutrition, specifically fish nutrition.
I will go on and begin, I guess, with a brief description, just for those of you that are unfamiliar with aquaculture. It's defined as the farming of aquatic organisms, and at the moment it is the fastest growing livestock animal production sector on Earth. I guess the takeaway I would have was we have a fairly strong cadre of graduate students coming in from all over the world. All of these people come to us and they often ask very challenging questions. And so this has energized, I guess, our program. And we do have a whole range of ages or people at different stages of their career. And my job in part is to mentor these people and see that they develop skill sets that will enable them to basically take over and become the leaders of the future.
How do you make sure that your partners are actually involved in the intellectual aspect of your research?
You really have to grow these kinds of relationships organically through sincere partnerships and sincere interest and common goals. And I think another thing to add to that is to be honest with our partners or the potential partners and say, before you spend a lot of money trying to commercialize a product, let's do some basic research to see how it performs in laboratories and what potential problems may emerge and what technologies may be employed to overcome those problems. I didn't know I was doing HIBAR research until I learned what HIBAR research was. But we've always felt here in our lab that we need to get down, drill down to really basic mechanistic aspects, going from the genes to up the pyramid, so to speak, to the organ, tissue, whole animal, and population level. That, coupled with our partners who have been able to contribute quite a bit to our program, not just in their intellectual contribution, but in their ability to buy equipment that we maybe couldn't afford. Building a strong foundation that can be applied in different ways, I think, has been one of the keys to our success and probably a key to HIBAR research.